So here in this video, we'll cover the qualifying codes required for the NEET UG 2026 examination. So let's cover it. Code 1 will be there for the people who are appearing class 12 for the first time, means you are giving 12th this year only, whether you are from CBSE, ICSE or any state board, okay, including the NIOS. Code 2 will be for dropper if you have given the examination previous time also, okay, and your result has been declared. Whether you are partial dropper or not does not matter, whether you have taken any admission in any other course also, that does not matter, or if you are having any different subject, for example you are from engineering background or arts background, okay, you want to give the exam again, so your code will be 2. PUC, PDC, it's a different state examination, I think so. So for Karnataka board, you can just add code 3. Ideally, you should enter code 2 for no confusion. Code 4 will be for people who have entered into any examination, means they have already qualified NEET and doing the BMS, BHMS, BA Pharma, BDC, dental courses and BSc nursing. Code 5 will be for the BSc, okay, who are just pursuing, means who are just in the first to third year of the BSc course, okay. If you have taken the admission, you don't have taken any TC etc., you are just studying in any college and pursuing BSc, whether it's zoology, life science etc., so your code will be 6. If you have passed the BSc examination, okay, then you need to fill code 6. If you are from first year, second year, third year, okay, not passed, then code 5. If you have already passed the examination, then your code will be 6. And if you are from NRI, means outside India, your code will be 7. I hope it clears your doubt. If you have any additional doubt, you can comment down below in the comment section.